Howdy all, my name is Jan Steiner and today I'm going to explain to you how you can implement that beautiful 360 image in your visionOS app. Unfortunately, 360 images are not supported natively in visionOS. Therefore, we're using a little trick. So we're placing a sphere all around the user. That sphere we're gonna give a custom texture, and the texture is basically our image. Let's get started right into the code, how we're gonna implement this. So first of all, we're gonna dragging our sphere into the project. If you don't have a sphere, no problem. All of the code is in the GitHub down below. So how the code works on the top level view is that basically we're taking the reality view, we're saying on up here, create the texture with the AV player. And afterwards, we're gonna say, okay, load the entity, and in the loading entity function, we're basically saying use the already preloaded texture. So let's jump right into the texture. This we're doing with the image view model, which is observable, so it can track and update changes properly. We are creating an AV player, which we are using to create the texture. This basically predefines our texture that we're gonna use later in the setup content entity. So let's jump right into the setup content entity function, which returns also an entity. First, we're defining the entity, and then in the following lines, we're defining the sphere, and then in line 46, we have the key line where we say let AV player material equals video material AV player, and then we're saying take it from the view model.AV player. So the preloaded texture we already did, we say take that texture, make it into a video material, and then we say model entity, so the sphere, this is our entity, dot model, because it's an optional, we're gonna unwrap it, and we say dot materials equals AV player materials. So now our sphere has the texture of the image that we want. We're gonna return this, and then we're gonna say in our reality view, content add the sphere, and this does the trick. It looks beautiful. I love Michoacan, Mexico when I was there. All of the code is in the GitHub down below. Thank you very much for watching. Hasta la vista.